to the right, you have some shelves, the safe, some drawers. Then you have a couple of closets. Couple of closet hangers. There's a mirror. Then here you have the mirror here with a couple of shelves, a telephone. You can call room service or whatever. A couple outlets. There's a drawer here with a hair dryer. Refrigerator. If you did not know, each adult person can carry on a bottle of wine. Each person can also carry on a 12-pack of canned soda. Okay, we have a little trash can. We have this. Rick has to have a CPAP machine. We moved this from over there to here because we needed it. We brought an extension cord on some ships. The outlet is a good distance from the bed, so you may need an extension cord. Something to keep in mind. We brought one, we didn't need it. So here is the bed. This makes 2 twin or 1 king. There's our little friend. And here is the ocean view, the window. There's also a little outlet over there. USB port, I should say. Then we have the TV with remote. Some space here where it keeps his chair. We got a couple of little hooks up here we use. We got a temperature controller for hot or cold. Should turn it on hot just for fun. Then here is the bathroom. We got shower gel and shampoo if you wanted to use Carnival. They supply that. A shower head. This makes a little line. Oops. Here, a little clothesline if you want to dry your clothes. And we got this mirror. Don't have as much space as some of the bigger ships, but it's enough. Then we have some towel hangers over here. And then we're back to the door safety.